Some cam bearings, I gotta put it in on this one. I had a wrong set, and then one of them got stuck, so I, generally got panicked, and this is how that one came out. But everything else is all good. Gotta clean it up after, and put the lower end in it, and see how that goes. Well, they're in. I don't know how long this motor's gonna run for, but we'll see. I gotta do a bunch of cleaning and stuff still. Put the back of the motor together. Lifters, put the pistons in and stuff. This is an Amazon kit that my buddy got for his Chevy. And they're Amazon pistons, rings, and everything. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but we'll see. So all those are in, except for this one, because that one, it's over here on the table, is 3 thousandths too big. I don't know why, but I have to find a piston. But now I just gotta put the, rear main on, put the cam in, time it, and the lower end will be done. I'll probably have a video on that too eventually. But just wanted to, little update. This thing's probably gonna explode immediately, so it spins over smooth now, but we'll see. Cool. This is for you, Quirk.
You can follow the